If you are not a graduate student or postgraduate student of any university across the world and you want to be able to be the best in your academics, you want to be able to study effectively, and you want to really win in the things that you do, then this video is for you. All right, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use ChatGPT to study effectively. How can you begin to use the power of ChatGPT to study effectively and to begin to do the things that you really want to do? Okay, sometimes you have bulky materials, you have a long lecture note, and you don't even know how to really study effectively with all of the work that you have to do. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use ChatGPT to study. It's no longer news that artificial intelligence has become part of our life. It has become part of our living. It has become part of the things that we do on a daily basis. I know there are a lot of ideologies around it. Why, oh, should you use artificial intelligence? Should you use this tool in order to study? Yes, you should. It should not be the basis at which you take decisions, but yet you can use it as a tool. You can use it as an assistant. You can use it as a support in order to do the things that you do. And as a student, there's a way to really use it. Okay, so sometimes we have students who just put assignments on ChatGPT, they don't get to study, they don't make extra findings, they don't read to retain. And this is not actually the right way to use artificial intelligence tools. But in this particular video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use ChatGPT as an extra means to study effectively and to begin to do the things that you do better. And you may just not know, this may be the secret to why you can become an A student and have it over and over again. Do you want to share the secret? All right, do well. So if you're just joining this video for the first time and you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe. And then I will be sharing a lot of educational content on how you can be a better student, be a better researcher, and also on things that contribute to your personal development. All right. I want to believe that you know what ChatGPT is, or this is what the platform is like. This is what the platform of ChatGPT is like, and you can actually make use of it in order to do the things that you do better. Now, maybe you're a student and right now you're reading and you have a lot of bulky notes and you don't know how to begin to read all of those things effectively, and you want to be able to build yourself to go through the point. I know there is a common study principle that is the SQ3R. That's the survey, the question, the read, and then the recall. All right, SQ3R, the read, recall, recite, and then you can begin to review again. And we will be using just the principle on how you can get a lot of questions from your lecture materials, and then you can use them to read and do a lot of things. Okay, so I'm using the ChatGPT, the 4.0 edition. All right, so it's the premium version, but I think the free edition should be able to do this also. Now, for example, I have a lecture material that I want to include to this particular ChatGPT platform. Okay, I have a lecture material. The lecture material is on formal methods. It's on formal methods. Where are you? So, all right, this is it. So I have this textbook right now. I'm trying to upload. It's in PDF version. Also, ChatGPT gives you the ability and the option to be able to upload documents in Excel, documents in Word, and then you can begin to do the things you do. All right, now the file is uploaded. The next thing I want to do is that I want to tell ChatGPT to help me generate, let's say I want ChatGPT to generate about 60 questions from this particular material. Okay, 60 likely questions that my lecturer is likely going to ask me so that I can use them to read and improve in my study. So I say, hello, ChatGPT. I would like you to be my buddy, or you can say my study partner as I read the course Formal Languages or Formal Methods and Languages. I've just uploaded a study material uploaded. I've just uploaded the study material for a course. Please come up with 60 possible questions that are likely to come out during my examination using the material. I want to use this to enable my study. Acts like a university professor. If you understand this, go ahead and generate. Let's see. Okay. Based on the material from the textbook and instructions from my languages and this. Okay, you can begin to see. So it begins to bring the questions section by section, define formal languages and explain how it differs from natural language, what is an automation and how is it used. Now you can begin to have these questions. And when you get all of the 60 questions, generating. Interesting. So you can begin to see how easy you can use AI to study. Okay, instead of always just coming up and then putting it out there and trying to just ask it questions, you can upload materials and begin to generate questions from them. And at the end of looking at all of these questions, you can then look at them and start reading. Okay, just look through the questions and begin to read on the materials. And then when you are done reading the materials, without going to ChatGPT, just take those questions one after the other and begin to answer them yourself. Okay, answer them yourself without looking at the materials, without looking at anywhere, and then you'll begin to see how well you can retain. Now, when you're done answering every of the questions, you can make them available maybe as written content, or you can just type them and come back to ChatGPT and say, oh, hello ChatGPT, I've tried answering these questions myself and I've just attached the answers to them. Please grade me as my university as my university professor. Okay, grade me as my university professor. And then it begins to give you insight, it begins to tell you on areas where you need to improve, where you need to do well, and where you need to keep working on your study. That's really how to begin to use AI. We have other platforms. We have Copilot, we have Gemini. You can begin to use every of these AI tools to improve your reading. I hope you got value from this. My name is Dr. Abiodun Mustafa, and I will keep giving you more valuable content on the things that can help you become an excellent student. Please do well to like this video, do well to share with your friends, and keep improving your life. Cheers.
Vision is an aspiration that is founded on purpose. Ambition is an aspiration without a purpose. You can be ambitious doing a lot of good things, but it takes purpose to make it a vision. Let me ask you, in many of the things you have sought to become, and in many of the things you have sought to gain, is it a vision or an ambition?